Today, we are going to explore the new AI tools for videos generation using text and images through the powerful tool Pika Labs AI. Let's dive right in and explore. First, head over to Pika Labs and join the beta program. Link provided in the video description below. Remember, you can easily join through Discord by clicking on beta. As you can see, I have successfully joined Pika Labs chat on Discord. Now head to the general section and type your form below by using the command create and hit enter to ensure a smooth workflow and retain your valuable data in check. Let's create a thread by clicking on more and then create thread following along as I demonstrate. Fantastic. We now have our own dedicated thread where you can confidently generate videos without the risk of losing your data. It's a public page, so you feel free to come back and create anything you like without any concerns. Let's proceed to generate a video using a text prompt. Write a prompt that aligns with your visions and witness the stunning videos to come to life all through your chat interaction. Don't hesitate to regenerate as many as times you wish to explore different results. Remarkable. You have the freedom to experiment and fine-tune the process to achieve even better results. It's worth mentioning that Pika Labs AI is currently free to use, though they may introduce a paid model in the future. Next, we will delve into generating a video using an image. Type a prompt and click on the More button that appears on the right side where you wrote the prompt. Simply drag and drop the image of your choice with a click of Generate button. Marvel at the final outcome. Additionally, there is another tool named runwaymail.com for text-to-video and image-to-video conversion. However, in comparison, Pika Labs AI stands out an exceptional choice, offering better results at a more affordable cost. Thank you for joining us on this accelerating tutorial. I hope you had a great time exploring video generation through text and images with Pika Labs AI. Stay tuned for more exciting content in our upcoming tutorials. Until then, see you in the next video.